All right, now here we go. This is how it's gonna roll. It's a quotient. So we have dy all over the dx equals to derive the top, which is gonna be 2, multiply by the bottom, which is 3x minus the 2. We good, right? Close the parenthesis. Then we subtract. We derive the bottom. Okay, it's going to be 3. We good, right? And then we keep the top. 2x plus the 5. All right, I will endeavor to simplify. The other one I was not simplifying, but it will be full marks unless they specify. Then the bottom, we're going to have to square that. So we have 3x minus 2, close the parenthesis, all squared. Let's try to kind of simplify the top. We're having 6x minus the 4, and then minus the 6x, and then minus the 15. And then the bottom, all right, so let's just see. So it's minus 12x minus 19, correct? All right, minus 2, the 6 will cancel. We just have minus 19 at the top. Do you see that's a plus, that's a minus? Yeah, so we just have negative 19 at the top. So we can put it as negative 19, and then all over 3x minus 2 all squared, and then that will be the answer. All right, so let's tackle the other one, the next one. So the next one, which is this one here, number 8. It's a good one, this one here. All right, so you can deal with it as the power rule. You understand what I'm saying? Or you could do this. You can remove that and put the numerator to the power of 2 and then the bottom to the power of 2. We can do that. I don't want to alter it. I know both of them will give the same answer. I want to alter it. I'm going to pretend this is how it stays. So we've got dy all over the dx. Then I said, okay guys, this is power rule. Everything in the brackets is the base. So I take the 2, I bring it to the back. So it's going to be 2. And then open the parenthesis. All right, because we're going to have a division there, and then closed bracket, it will be to the power of 1. So it's going to be x plus 1 all over x minus 1. Now the exponent is 1. I don't have to put a 1. Then we say times by the derivative of what's inside. What's inside? It's quotient rule. I derive the top, so it's going to be 1. I'm going to times it by the bottom, so it's going to be, well, anything times 1 remains as it is, so it's going to be x minus 1. And then minus, I derive the bottom, which is 1, times by the top x plus 1. This one I had to put it in a thing in the brackets because of the minus that would affect those terms. And in the bottom you got x minus 1 all squared. All right, so let's look at right at the top there. Right at the top you're having x minus 1. You're going to have minus x minus 1. Am I correct? You're just left with a negative 2, isn't it? All right, so that means at the top I should have negative 2. Now sometimes you check if things can cancel. Well, I can simplify that because I said I'll endeavor to simplify. The minus 2 and that 2 is minus 4, so I can write that we got minus 4. Inside the bracket we got x plus the 1, and then we can divide everything by that, and that will give me cubed because they're like same base, x minus 1 to the power of 3. So I can simplify up to this point. So far so good.